Hello everyone, welcome to watch Richard's video. Today I will introduce a nice things for you guys. Yeah, this is very nice because there are ring from our machine, SLA machine. Yeah, look at that, it's a nice ring. Okay, just kidding. This is a model from SLA machine, and we can see that it's very exquisite. We can see the gills, the hole. Yeah, the gills is very clear. And for the upside, we can see a big hole. I think maybe it's for diamond. And for this ring, we can see this is the material of this ring. Is a photosensitive resin. So use this machine can easy to get the model like this. According to this ring, we can see that this machine can help designers get more efficiency in his working. For example, this is a ring that is a kind of jewelry. So the jewelry designer can get the draft first, and if it's the normal way, he may spend 1 to 3 days to get a model. But right now, he can just use this machine to get this ring, only 1 hour. So 1 hour compared with 3 days or 1 day is very convenient for them. Okay, let us look at this ring last time.